Hey everybody, good morning. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a good weekend. Um, Sorry I haven't posted a couple videos last week. It's just busy on and off. I did trade I believe 2 days. I had no trade, and one day I had a down day. I think it was like $50 I was down, so it was pretty bad. This morning I took a trade on HEB. Since I'm around the $500 mark, I'm trying to focus more and more on lower price stocks. I did switch from Warrior Trading's chat room to Investors Underground chat room. So I'm kind of adapting to what their strategy is. What Warrior Trading does is a lot more scalping, so quick trades, and they focus on $2 to $10 stocks. Where Investors Underground, they focus on a lot more stocks, but there's like differences between the two. I'll probably do like a review at the end of this month or whatever to try to help people determine what might be a better chat room for them. Ultimately, I think it is good though to have like some type of chat room access where you could get ideas from other people. But I took this trade, and I lost on it, and I was basically watching it in the pre-morning, so it was going up pretty good. You know, had a good run up here, so I wanted to see if it would continue up to the $1 mark. And when it basically broke above the 68, 69, I believe it was the highest, and 71 was my buy-in. So it was going up, and it started coming down. So I put my stop loss kind of at where these candles are right here at $62. So I gave myself about a 10 cent um, gap, and I was just gonna let it play out. Like while I was doing when I was doing the warrior trading, they were scalping, so they were quick in and out, in and out. And, I was having trouble with that. I wasn't like quite keeping up, so I'm trying to follow what this chat room is doing, where they kind of like buy and hold stocks for a little bit longer. Some of the trades that they do, they'll do like the whole day, or they'll hold like at 9:30 in the morning, and they'll sell like at 3:30, and they'll have a massive gain from it, whatever. I'm not saying I was trying to do that, but I'm trying to get into that mentality of holding it longer, being more patient, letting the trade play out. So unfortunately, it came down, and I did put a stop loss, and it started bouncing. But right when this little red candle came in, it just went past my line, which basically caused my order to go through. And then it kind of came down more, so it could go back up later in the day. I don't know, but unfortunately, I lost that trade. And since it was with fees, it's over $30. Like that's my max loss. Like I can't afford to go any more beyond that, on a daily basis. I mean, obviously, I don't want to make any loss, but I'm not trying to go beyond that $30. $30 is max. I don't want to get frustrated and hunt for another stock and desperately try to make it back. So I have to walk away from it, unfortunately. So I basically just have my buy-in here at 71 and my stop loss at 62.01. So that's it for Monday. Starting off the week red, but still going. So, and I'm looking at my account now, which will put me under 500. So I won't be able to use leverage. So I got to be a lot more cautious. I'll still probably fund my account in the future a little later. I don't want to do it right away. I still want to use the original money I put in for as long as I can, and then I'll see about funding it later. Because this is going to take time. This is nothing that I'm going to learn in a few weeks or a few months. It's going to take that amount of time to actually get proficient at it to be consistently profitable. So I just have to keep at it. But for today, that's where I'm at. So hope you all had a good weekend. Everything's good, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. So enjoy yourselves. Later.